Hi parents! Let's walk through how to cancel a course in the parent portal. It's simple. This can be done in two ways, through the dashboard or the schedules page. We'll start with the dashboard option. Locate the course summary card section and find the course you want to cancel. Click on the course to open its details. Click the drop-down right here and select Cancel Course. Hit Cancel Course once more. Then, specify a cancellation reason by choosing from the drop-down menu. Finally, click Confirm to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear. Now both you and your family member's schedule will automatically update. If you don't see the option to cancel, it could mean the admin has restricted canceling that specific course. Next, let's take a look at how to do this from the Schedules page. Now head to the navigation menu and click on Schedules. Here you can see both your schedule and your family members. Next, locate the scheduled time of the lesson you wish to cancel on the calendar. Click on it to expand the details and find the Cancel Course option. Once the drop-down menu is expanded, select Cancel Course, and then click the Cancel Course button to proceed. After that, choose a reason for cancellation from the drop-down menu. Finally, click Confirm to finalize. A confirmation message will appear in the lower right corner of the screen, letting you know the process is complete. Again, if you don't see the option to cancel, it could mean the admin has restricted cancellations for this course. And that's it. You're all set to manage your courses with ease. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.